Well, I figured I'd make a video today of my 1926 Fordson tractor. This would be a Model F. It's a pretty nice tractor. It was restored some time ago. Very complete. The wheels are excellent shape. They don't show much field time. Normally these wheels, the guide rib would be worn down to the rivets or even beyond. These have lots of meat left on them. The rear wheels too, the grousers are real tall, and they still even have the taper on them. This was, I believe, running some rocky ground at some point because some of these are bent. But I believe this tractor came from the eastern United States, New England states, New Hampshire or Connecticut, I believe. I'm the third owner here in Ohio that I know of. I bought this tractor about 9 years ago. I haven't had it out of the barn in about 8 years. So it's the first time it's been out in that amount of time. But real nice. A lot of originality. This has the original radiator core with the round tubes in it. It's in pretty good shape. Seeps a little water when it's setting, but when it's running it seems to stay dry. The heat may evaporate what leaks out. I don't know. Ignition system's all original. Buzz coils. Runs off the magneto. Even starts off the magneto. There's no hot shot battery. You won't find many Fordsons without a hot shot battery or some other kind of magneto conversion. This starts like the day it was new. Fenders are real nice, solid. They're even nice and fairly straight on the back here. They're usually smashed up right here on these corners from cutting it too close with the implement. And these fenders also act sort of like a wheelie bar, because these tractors are known for turning over backwards. So that's why these fenders are made like this. Got the original Fordson seat with the name in it. Steering wheel's original. Not too many with original steering wheels that I know of. The steering wheels didn't last out in the weather too good. They're made of some kind of compressed sawdust wood chip material. Got the toolbox here with all the Fordson tools in it. Belt pulley, gear shift belt pulley. Just a real nice overall tractor, which I'm happy to own. So I'll set the camera down here and get her started, and we'll go for a drive on it so you can hear the awful noise that the worm gear rear end makes. Clutches are pretty sticky on these tractors. There we go. There. These had to be just awful tractors to run for hours on end, but that's compared to what we have today. What they had available to the farmers back then, this was probably a godsend. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video. I had fun making it. Thanks for watching.